Hey, Dan Fitzpatrick here, stockmarketmentor.com. And look, I want to talk about Palintir. This IPO, this is was originated by Peter Thiel, and who's one of the, let's just say, one of the sharpest guys around. And the stock has gone since this kind of last breakout, I'll say around 11-ish. The stock ran up over 200% in 3 weeks, like 13 trading days this thing was up. And so that's the end of that run, right? Yeah, it sure was. After it hit the top, it fell back almost 40% in a week. And so I think a lot of people gave up on this thing, but I'm looking at this and I'm getting pretty excited because it looks to me like this thing is just about ready to roll again. And in fact, if it's up at all tomorrow, we'll say above 29. If it's above 29, I'm probably going to wind up putting this on our active trade list, which is a list of stocks that we follow with entries, how long to hold, exits and stuff like that. You're basically doing the trade right along with me. So I'm looking at this tomorrow. If it doesn't break out above here, then I'm not going to put it on. But the way I look at this stock now, it's up over 10% today. Volume, pretty good. A little bit lower than average, sure. But look how many shares were traded during this period of time here. 200 million some days on an IPO. If we tightened up the moving average to get rid of this stuff, you'd see that this is actually well above what I would consider to be average or normal volume. So I think this stock is ready to roll. I would look at buying it on any breakout, and then you kind of have to give it, you got to give it a little bit of a loose stop because it may pull back into this area in here. But what you really want to do is you want to stay long the stock unless or until it falls below this level. If it falls below here, then you don't want to be long the stock. So anyway, that is my trade idea on Palintir. Hope you're doing well, and I will see you tomorrow.